Hi, in front of me is POCO C55 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Passwords and Security. Following that, tap on Face Unlock and enter your current login method. When you're ready, tap on Start at the bottom and select Next in Attention pop-up after 5 seconds. Remember to keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Lastly, name your face data however you wish to, if you wish to, and tap on Done. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!